Alright, just jump right on into it today, YouTube. Welcome back to my page. Also, if you haven't by now, like, comment, and subscribe. It lets me know what I'm doing right, what I'm not doing wrong, and what y'all really enjoy and don't enjoy. So, like I said, I'm jumping right into it. Last video y'all seen me do was take my sting out and test whether do I need a diff brace or not. Did I need the subframe collars or not? And in doing that video, Burger Motorsports hit me up, said, yeah, I like what you did, buy our brace. I went out and got the brace. Here it is, and I want to do an unboxing video for you all. So without further ado, here we go. Make sure y'all see it. My initial reaction to this piece, definitely some kind of hard powder coat. Looks to be about a 1/4 inch steel. Pretty solid. And judging from my past diff brace that I had on my G35, feels very similar. It's a 2-piece design, which differs from my G35. But I think that should be fine either way, because this part will sit flat up against the subframe, and this part will go below and grab the diff to the second piece here. This will be the part that actually bolts to your diff. I'm pretty sure to bolt that way. I think that bolts that way. So something like that. And this part will sandwich your subframe like that. As for that, that's it. That came with it. I'm guessing the instructions are on the website about what I should torque everything to. Because I definitely don't want to bolt this to my subframe and don't torque it correctly with my diff and don't torque it correctly, and I have a leak at the diff case and or crack it. So I definitely don't want to do that. So that would be my next thing. Look on the website, see what the instructions are for torquing this to the diff. This part, I could probably get away with what y'all say, 1, 2 Ugga Duggers, maybe 3. But that's it, guys, for the unboxing of the BMS Burger Motorsports Diff Brace. So come this weekend, depending on the rain situation that I may have coming, I should have it installed hopefully sooner than later, because I'm trying to make an autocross on Saturday. If I can get it done before Saturday, I can definitely give it a test out how I like it on the autocross and the feel of it. But that's all. Thank y'all for tuning in again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my page, my channel. Also, I have an Instagram that accompanies this my YouTube. It's the same name, One Gun Auto Garage. So also follow me there. I do updates there too. And you can definitely hit me up with questions about the car, and just, overall come in contact with me and chat with me.